Okay, let's take a look at the databases associated with the National Hockey League Prediction Program. If you go into database, there's a number of databases. You can look at the raw data. So team stats. Again, you can look at the raw data. Here's the teams. You can select team column. You can sort. You can pick a team. Go ahead and pick the Flyers again. And then the Flyers team stats would come up. Display all. You can go and take a look at team standing again, and it's also showing the date that the parse information came in. So this is data as of the 19th. Again, you can, this is already sorted by team. You can select the column and sort it descending order, or again, ascending. And this is the raw data. Same thing with picking the data. You can again take a look, and here's the Flyers and its raw data. Okay, you can look at player stats. Again, all the players associated with various teams. You can certainly sort on the various columns. So here we're sorting on player ascending. Here's player descending. And back over here for the team ascending. You can come over here, pick a team. Again, we'll look at the Flyers, and then Flyers team comes up with all of its players, and you're looking at the raw data associated with the Flyers. You can then also look at Vegas spreads. So here currently in the database is only the spreads for the 20th of January for the, looks like the two matchups that occurred. Notice you have the money line showing the Vegas spreads. And you can also look at scores. I think I have the 20th in there. So we'll take a look at the 20th as well. Yep, so the scores for the 20th. I'm sorry, the 19th and 20th are being shown. So we only have the 19th. And again, you can sort on the various columns. You can also pick a team and show the box scores or the details associated with the game. And of course, unfortunately, I don't have the internet available, so I can't show you that. But if you pick a team or a matchup, hit the box scores, because you can see we capture the box scores right here when we parse the scores. Okay, and so essentially that's the databases. However, you can delete from the databases. Notice this says caution: if you continue, all records in the database will be deleted. So we don't want to do that. But for some reason, if you wanted to delete all the records and start out fresh for the new season or whatever, you can do that.